Hi, welcome to my live. Tonight, I am making one of our brand new transfers in the autumn winter 2019 catalog. It's the bed and breakfast transfer. It's a size C. So before it got cut and numbered into pieces, it was 12 by 18. So I have my 12 by 18 Aiden board ready to chalk. In the transfer, there's a Weathervane, there's bed and breakfast, be our guest, where you make both, so you can either choose be our guest or where you make both, and then these little branch swags, and you have the option to put them all in a row, or like instead of overlapping, you could stagger it, or what I'm going to do is overlap. So we are going to start with our Weathervane. I'm pulling up, I'm going to pull up comments here so that I can see as people join us. So just wiped this off, so we're just getting it to dry a little bit. So I thought I would do a bright color and do the Weathervane in the back, dry it, and then do wording kind of over it. So that was my plan of action for that. I don't know why I'm getting that message. I hate that I'm trying to do multiple things at once, but sometimes until you hit the button for live, you can't pull up the video anyway so that you can see the comments. So it's like always like an awkward waiting for me to get those pulled up so that I can see as people jump on. And I apologize for that ahead of time. It's just the way it works. It's how we got to work it right now with how Facebook Live is. All right, so I'm going to fuzz my Rooster vane here before I put it on the board. And it doesn't hurt to just go over with your fuzz cloth with the microfiber side. So if you have a little bit of dust or lint on there that you don't want, you can dust it off with that. It's a nice one for cleaning your board. All right, so just going to center this in the center and make sure my screen, my silk screen, is all down. And this has pushing out a couple little air bubbles. Yeah, I got one in the arrow here. We just lift it up and yeah, that's better. So this is kind of got a little bit of a fleck in it. So let me hold this up and show you. Inside the chicken, or the rooster. Okay, listen, I'm a city slicker, whatever it's called. All right, so it's got, you can see the teal little flecks in there. So it's meant to not chalk solid. You can see little flecks. So it's meant to kind of make it look weathered. Ooh, I have another air bubble there. So that is on purpose. So the design is supposed to make it look weathered and not to be solid. So we're okay with that. All right, and I have chosen Candy Apple Red for my rooster. All right, let's see here. I guess I could use this size, would work fine. All right, so we just want to smooth our chalk paste over, covering and giving a good pressure to cover the screen. We want to make sure it's going through that screen and onto the board. So rather than lightly, we're giving it a good amount of pressure. Almost. And then I will kind of squeegee off the extra, put it back in my jar for my next chalking. Pretty good. All right. Am I frozen on your screen, Andy? No? All right, let me refresh this because I want to make sure it's catching, because on my end it looked frozen. Sometimes you just need to refresh it and then we're back on. Let's see what happens here. All right, so I'm going to rinse this off because I want to use it again. Can you see the red rooster? You able to see that part? Producer, are you able to see it? Okay, good, because on my end, on my screen, it was not showing up for a second. I was like, oh my gosh. All right, I think I'm caught up now. In like a minute maybe. All right, let's dry the rooster. Get it nice and dry so that we can layer some of our words over it. I love this red color. It's one of my favorites. Candy apple red, I love it. All right, so the chalk paste, when it dries, it will look a little bit different. Some of it dries lighter. I think it dries lighter. But you can always touch and make sure it's dry on all the parts, because we want it nice and dry before we layer. We don't want any of the wet chalk paste left because we don't want it to peel up when we pull the transfer up. All right, let's let that dry. And I see a little smudge at the end of my arrow here. I'm gonna real quick catch that with a Clorox wipe. Let me move this up a little too so you can see the whole thing. All right, so next I have the big bed and breakfast. So we can put that across, or just a little bit overlapping, maybe somewhere around right here, or right across it, however we want to. We'll see what that looks like once I fuzz it on my fuzz cloth over here. Because this is a new transfer, we're just picking up some lint on the terry cloth side of our fuzzing cloth off screen here. And also, not just because it's new, but because we're layering over the chalk paste that's dry right here, we want it to not stick too good to that and pull any of that chalk paste off. So if you fuzz it, you have a better chance of it not peeling that off. Okay, and then just go over your screen, making sure there's no air bubbles. Because air bubbles under the screen part will make your chalk paste go on funny. All right, and I have bright white for this title. Okay, this is a little thicker than what I wanted, so let me add some water. I am getting crumbs right here. Okay, that looks good. All right, so we're just going to go over our letters. We are covering all the way across here. You can go whatever direction you're comfortable with. I'm right-handed, so I just kind of, whatever, I can go back and forth, smooth it off, put it back in your container. Just like that. Okay, now reveal here. Very nice. All right, got that. Put that in the water. Okay, the next part we get to decide, do we want our bed and breakfast sign to say, "Be our guest"? Since I don't own my own bed and breakfast, we don't have to do that one. I think we should do this one, where you make both, because at my house, make your own breakfast and make your own bed. How about that? Nothing wrong with that. Okay, let's give it a couple layers of the fuzz from my fuzz cloth. Let's do it about right there. Okay. Is that kind of straight? Tell. That looks pretty good. All right. I'm going to use white again for that too. Here we go. Okay. That looks real good. All right, let's dry this. I'm going to add some greenery to it. Okay. All right, so I have eucalyptus, and we're going to do the little greenery swags in this eucalyptus color. I think that'll look good. Okay. All right, so now we can decide which way we'll do it. I think I'll do it that way. I think we'll do it there and over here. It's hard to tell. A little bit closer, I think. Let's move this one over a little bit. Oops. And sometimes you stick your finger in your chalk paste, and that's okay too. That's why I always have a wet cloth beside me. Chalk paste goes everywhere. Alright, so just make sure your screen, your silk screen, is down without bubbles. And then we're good. Eucalyptus is ready. Enough on here to do both. Very pretty. So if you own your own bed and breakfast, this is a really cute way to make your own signs. And even if you don't, you can make one to hang in your home. It is a very cute sign for either on the wall by your breakfast table or your breakfast nook. Very cute. Just remind your family to make their beds. And maybe their breakfast, and maybe to wash their own dishes too, or load them in the dishwasher. Whatever case you have at home, I'll back you up on it. That is a really cute sign, and there's a bunch of different color combinations really that you could do. Because I did it on a blackboard, but you could do it on one of the whiteboard things that we have. You could do it on wood that's been sanded and waxed. It would look cute in a bunch of different ways. And there's always this other part. If you didn't want it to say where you make both, you could say be our guest. And you wouldn't have to overlap. You could spread the words out. I had room I could have done it below instead of overlapping. I just wanted to see what it would look like doing it that way. So very cool. And remember, our transfers are reusable. So you can do like 12 to 16 times that transfer and make signs for you and your family for gifts. Well, that was a really short live, but that's all I wanted to go over today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Love it and share it with your friends to spread the chalk love. And if you are not a member of my VIP group, comment, add me, and I will add you to Beth's Classy Chalking VIP group so that you get in on all the deals and sales. And I am also on YouTube, so you can watch me there. Beth's Classy Chalking. Thank you, and have a great night. Bye.